So I'm laying outside, which I actually never do. I normally can't tan because like my skin is so pale that the sun just eats me up and burns me alive. Regardless of how much, tanning lotion, oils, whatever I put on my skin, I just turn red as a tomato. But I'm going to try again this summer and see how I do. So I've been out here for like 10 minutes, and I can already feel my skin getting a little bit tingly. So that might be my starting point. It's just 10 minutes on each side. Flip and fry, bake, whatever you want to call it. I will update you on my progress. Bye.